Hey everybody, so I have got Archie with me here. Hi bye, you alright? So obviously he is generally always in the office with us, wandering around doing his own thing. He will come and meet and greet customers as well, or you I should say, come and meet and greet you. We do have a little notice on the door though, so just a little one, so just here. Effectively, which just says on the other side, I roam free. But if you are ever nervous at all of dogs, then just tap on the window, just sort of point at him, and then we'll get him out of the way for you. It's absolutely fine. We can sort of shut him out into the hallway if necessary whilst you're visiting. We understand that not everybody, gets on with dogs necessarily, or not everybody likes to be around dogs, so he can be put somewhere else if necessary, but generally he'll lick you to death. He might talk to you, he might give you hugs, he might, I don't know, decide to completely ignore you, because that's the nature of huskies. They like to just be aloof sometimes and just kind of go, yeah, I'm done today. So, so don't be offended if he just doesn't interact with you at all. He can be, even with myself, I'm the owner of him, and literally sometimes he's like, yeah, I'm not doing the human thing today. Like, I'm just gonna do my own thing and stay away from everybody and just be like an old grump. It's fine. But that's also huskies for you. They can be very aloof. It's I think somebody said to me, it's like cat software and dog hardware, which is a bit of a technical thing, a bit of a techie way of looking at it. But I think it makes sense actually. He is like a cat in a dog's body. All right. Anyway, speak soon, guys. Take care. Bye.